Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Shrivastava and I'm teaching history for UPSC CSE for last 6 years at Unacademy. And currently I'm with Unacademy team for the next episode of Out of Syllabus, and they have few questions for me which you might not know. So let's see what all questions they have. I prefer cooking. Reason ki jo hai, I prefer fresh food, right? I don't trust the outside food, so that is the reason. I don't like junk food as well. So that is the reason ki I'll prefer cooking. I'm not a pet person, so jo hai, both of them are out of the list. I like poker, so I'll go with poker. I'm a tea person. बेसिकली आई एम अ मरीन इंजीनियर, सो मैं थर्ड ईयर में था जब मेरा प्लेसमेंट हुआ था, एंड एट दैट टाइम फोर्थ ईयर का फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर जो होता था वो शिप पे होता था. तो आई वेंट फॉर ट्रेनिंग टू फिलीपींस. सो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट, यू कैन से, इंटर्नशिप और समथिंग. दैट वाज अ 6 month इंटर्नशिप एट अ ट्रेनिंग शिप in Philippines. So that was my first work experience. Age wise, I think it was 24 years. Yeah. I should be investing more in myself and maybe fail faster and learn faster. That is something I'll prefer. Otherwise, I think I don't have any regret or something. What I did was I had a very good journey with respect to learning. So I don't think I would like to change anything. I think I just want to fail faster. That's the only thing. Okay, my wife, she knows me best. Again, my wife is my closest confidant. She's a good friend. Teaching is my passion, so I really love teaching. If I was not into teaching, then I would like to, do a startup. I would like to do business. So I like business, so that is something I would prefer then. I will call my parents. I usually get very less time to actually talk to them. So I'll talk to my parents, I'll spend time with my kid and my wife, right? And we'll have good food. And that's how I would like to spend it. Revisit the times where I would have, let's say, actually I think the time is the most important resource we have, right? If I have more time, I would be able to read more books. I would be able to invest more in myself. So that is the reason I need more time. So I would like to go back and read more. Second is I think I would go for resources, monetary wise or anything, because I think that's how I'll be able to, do so many other things. I would be able to invest in so many other things. I would be able to launch so many ventures. So that is like, I would like to go for funds. And third is can I ask for superpowers as well? Yeah, I would like to relive my college days, because I think I didn't spend those days judiciously, right? So that's why I would like to relive. So I wrote a letter to myself in class 12th where I wanted to start a company called Extreme Destination, which was supposed to be a software company, right? So could not do that till now. So if I got this opportunity, then definitely I'll name it as Extreme Destination. Definitely a bird, maybe eagle, right? Yeah, I think eagle would be a good choice. Yes, I hit this snooze button multiple times. Sometimes I even change the alarm timing after waking up. I think it should be Bodhisattva. And Bodhisattva is all about journey of Buddha, how he came to salvation, how he actually reached the salvation. So though I'm not I'm not in the pursuit of salvation. I'm just in the pursuit of actual meaning of the life or actual destination of myself. So that's my pursuit, and I want to make some difference in the life of the people. That's the whole intent, and I think I'll be able to do that. I do not relate to any fictional character as such, but I do relate to Bhagat Singh. Recently, I was reading one of his article, which was about why am I an atheist, right? So I'm also an atheist, and when I was reading that article, I could very much feel what he wanted to say, how you actually feel when you are an atheist, because you cannot put it on someone else, or you cannot say the reason is destiny, but it's on you actually, right? So then you take ownership of everything, whatever is happening in your life, and there you also feel alone. So he spoke about all those things, and there I could relate, this is the guy. And then his views, I'm very much aligned with his views on suicide. I'm very much aligned on his views on work ethics, on politics. So there I think, and he is a revolutionary and close to my heart. So I very much relate to Bhagat Singh. Of course, with all due respect, he's much bigger personality, right? And we all can learn a lot from him. So you can say yes, definitely I want to be closer to him. Okay, don't want to confess, but Maggie is something I like, so yeah. Okay, so as I told you, I was a marine engineer, right? And I was into merchant navy. I sailed for 2-3 years. But the story of how I left that field and started preparing for UPSC, left home actually, fought with my parents, unfortunately, right? So that story I think is something which has defined me, which has changed my life, right? I was jobless for some time. I started, and that struggle is something which taught me a lot, which made me who I am today. So I think that story is something which defines me. I didn't focus on health much, so that part of me is something I would like to change, and I would like to focus more on my health. So that was a bit about me. I hope you liked it, and Unacademy team will definitely come back with the story of another educator. Thank you. Till then, let's crack it.